So I wanted to make this recording because I just watched a video of mine which I edited 4 years ago when I came to Dubai, and I realized certain things that today make me far more money, but back in the days 4 years ago I didn't realize. So in this video I want to summarize these things up and to talk about them very freely and to just give you my thoughts about this, how I see this today as an agency owner hitting $10,000 months and having clients paying me $3,000-4,000 per month, and taking a look at back in the days what was my vision, how I saw the agency game, and what I would change today to make more money. And if you're a video editor, creative, any sort of a video business, then this video is specifically for you. So back in the days, I just watched a video of mine seeing that I was focusing on the wrong things. I was doing video editing for VSLs, coachings. I was video editing for paid ads. I was even filming those paid ads for clients. And the biggest thing I see here right now is everything works, but the main driver, the main thing you need to focus on is becoming the best into this craft. If you want to make videos for YouTube, for any gaming, and you want to do video editing for these gamers, then become the best. But you need to agree towards these terms then. I will tell you why I don't agree to these terms to edit videos for gamers, for example, in a minute. So if you want to become the best in this craft, you need to also understand that this comes with a price. Meaning, when you want to edit videos for gamers, there's the only upside you have, which makes your service variable, is that you get these clients a lot of views. And getting those clients a lot of views means that you need to do a lot of editing. And a lot of editing means that it consumes a lot of time. And I wasn't agreeing further line when I was doing video editing, filmmaking, video business, that I spent a lot of hours in front of the laptop. And therefore I changed my perspective or my clientele on this, where I don't need to edit a lot of videos, but I can charge $3,000 per month, for example. And this is where I shifted from these kind of being a video editor and focusing more on businesses, coaches. And when I bring them a couple of clients per video, they made far more money. And this is the whole perspective. So let me tell you what I changed. First of all, I changed my audience, and I focus only on business owners. I was leaning more towards real estate. I was leaning more towards finance, business, and coaching and all this stuff. And back in the days, I was only focusing on coaches. And therefore, I created a system for myself where I did outreach, and every week I took on sales calls, and I was focusing only on one niche. I was only doing outreach for one specific avatar, and I was getting those on the call. And they would make far more money with my videos, and therefore I knew, okay, I need to focus exactly on this. So later on the line, I was focusing on building YouTube channels only for these kind of clients and specializing in growing YouTube channels and getting them clients from YouTube. So it's not anymore of sending them messages, hey, can I edit your videos? No, it was, I will get you a predictable stream of leads from YouTube. And yes, video editing is a part of this then, but it's a much bigger picture. It's like understanding the audience, getting the views from the right audience, creating videos, creating thumbnails, managing a team, and then building the lower funnel, meaning landing pages, lead magnets, booking calls, and all this stuff. And this made me so variable that I could literally grow my own brands. And now getting with different businesses, for example, I have an AI business where I get, for example, Lenovo into my funnel, and I get I get billion-dollar brands into my calendar and booking calls with us. And this skill made me so much variable that when I imagine it 3-4 years ago, I was a video editor. Maybe like you, I was a filmmaker, I was a normal creative. And now I get billion-dollar brands into my calendar willing to pay us tens of thousands of dollars, which completely blew my mind today. So I crafted for this specific scenario, for this whole business, I created a video explaining exactly how this works. And if you want to take a look at it, first link in the description. If not, that's fine for me. And yeah, I hope you gain value from this video. Bye-bye.